Hello. Yeah, sorry. We are solving the top 50 array questions of Geek for Geeks. So today we are going to solve this question. Find common elements in three sorted arrays. So this is the question, and in this question we have given three sorted arrays, and we have to find all the elements which are common in them. Okay. So how we are going to solve this question? So let's find out. So first of all, we will be have three arrays. Okay. So let's write three arrays. So first array is something like this. So 1, 5, 10, 20, 40, and 80. And second array is going to be something like this. So 6, 7, 20, 80, and 100. And third array is going to be something like this. 3, 4, 15, 20, 30, 70, 80, and 120. So these are the three arrays, and we have to find all the elements which are common in them. So what can we do for this? So we can use the three pointers for this. Okay. And when we will use three pointers, then we can solve this. Okay. And so we are going to use three pointers: I, J, and K, and all are going to be point to 0 initially. Okay. And after that, whenever we find a common elements between them, so we are going to save this and to a hash set, because we can find one element more than one time. So that's why we are going to save this in a hash set. And after all this, we are going to extract all the elements from hash set, and we are going to save that into a array list, because we have to return a array list. Okay. So so let's suppose this is I is pointing to the here, J is pointing to here, and K is pointing to here. Okay. And we will check, first of all we will check that is AI is equal to BJ is equal to, sorry, CK. If this condition is true, then we have find the common element. And if it is not true, then we will see, then we will have to check is AI less than BJ. And if this is, then what we have to do, we have to increase I plus plus. Okay. And if BJ is less than CK, then what we have to do, we have to increase our J. Okay. And if none of this is true, then what we have to do, we have to increase our K pointer. Okay. So this is how it is going to happen. Okay. So let's try to find out. Okay. So initially we are pointing at I, pointing at zeros. Okay. So these are equals. So no, these are not equals. So what we have to check, the second condition which we are going to check, is AI is less than BJ. So yes, we can see that AI is 1 and BJ is 6. So we have to increase our I. Okay. So we have increased our I. I is here now. Okay. And again we will have to check that is all these are equal or not. So no, these are not equal. So we are going to again check, is AI equal less than our BJ. Then yes, it is. Then what we have to do, we have to increase our I again. After that, we are again going to check, is all three are equal. No, all three are not equal. So what we have to do, we have to again check for the another condition, that AI is less than BJ or not. So no, still it is not true. So we have to check the another condition, which is BJ is a smaller than CK. Is this true? So no, it is also not true, because BJ is 6 and CK is 3. Okay. So in last, what we have to do, we will increase our J. Okay. Again we are going to, sorry, not J, we are going to increase our K. And after this, we are going to check that is all three are equal. So no, it is not equal. So what we have to do, we have to check for the second condition. Second condition is also not true. This is second condition. You have to check for the third condition then. And is bj less than ck? So no, it is not. So what we have to do? We have to check for the last condition. uh, we are going to the last condition, and in last condition we have to increase our k. Again, again we will check that is all three are equal. So no, it is all three are not equal. So what we have to do? We will go to the first condition. Is ai less than bj? Then no, it is not. Okay, so is bj less than ck? So yes, it is. So we are going to increase our j. Okay, again we are going to check. No, it is not equal. Okay, again we are going to check this condition. Is ai less than bj? No, it is not. Is bj is bj less than ck? Yes, it is. So we are going to increase our j. Okay, after that again we are going to check, is all three are equal? No, it is not. Okay, so in last what we will do, in last we will check is ai less than bj? So yes, right now it is. Okay, so we are going to increase our I. So I is here. Okay, again we will check that is all three are equal? No, is all three are not equal. Okay, so we will move forward, and uh, in the next condition is going to be this one. Is ai less than bj? No, it is not. Is bj less than ck? No, it is not. Okay, then last condition is going to be, we are going to increase our k. So k is now here. Now again we are going to is all three are equal? So now yes, 20, I is a of I is 20. Okay, b of j is 20, and c of k is 20 right now. So we have found our first common element between all these array, and that is 20. And similarly we are going to check again and again, and after many iteration we will find 80. That's it. We are going to find only these two elements common. Okay, and after that this is in a hash set. Okay, this is in a hash set. So we are going to save this into a array list, and we are going to return it. So this is how we are going to solve this. So uh, let's go to the code editor, and let's write the code for it. Okay, so we are at a code editor. So first of all, what we are going to create three pointers, and I, and j. Okay, after that we will have to create a hash set, and after that we are going to get a array list. And then we are going to run a loop while I is less than n1, and then j is less than n2, and then k is less than n3. We are going to check first of all that if ai is equal to bj, bj and bj is equal to ck. When we will check this, then if it is true, then what we are going to do, we are going to add this into our set. And then we are going to increase our I pointer, j pointer, and k pointer. The second condition, condition is going to be, is ai is less than bj. Okay, so we will check this, and if it is, then we are going to increase our ai. The third condition is going to be, is bj is less than ck. And if this is true, then what we are going to do, we are going to increase our j. And if all these are not true, then we are going to increase our k. Fine. After this loop, what we have to do, we have to iterate through our set, and we're gonna save all the element into our array list. So okay, and after that we are going to while it has next. Then we are going to do, we are going to add into our array list, and the array list is answer. So we are going to add this into our array list. After this, one, we have to take care of one edge case, and that if there is nothing into our array list, we didn't find any common element, so we have to return a -1. Okay, so for that we will check if the size of this our answer is equal to 0. Then we are going to add -1 into this. And after that we will have to sort this, because we have to give the sorted array list. So sorting, we can comfortably return answer. Okay, so let's compile this code and let's see that if it is running or not. Okay, we are facing a issue. Let's see. And k is 4. Okay. Okay, so our basic test cases are getting passed. So let's try to submit this, and let's see that if it is getting submitted or not. Okay, so we have seen that our all the test cases are getting passed. So this is how we can solve this question. And next we are going to solve this question, find the first repeating element in array of integers. So until then, goodbye.